Yeah, hi, welcome to RTL Coding School. Now in this tutorial, we are going to see about wide data type in Verilog. First of all, going to the parameters that we have to see for every data type in Verilog. First of all, let's see what is wide data type. What is wide data type? Wide data type comes under the category of net data type. Means we all know about the net data type. It is used mainly for bypass the data. Wide data type is used to bypass the data where it does not store any values like range. It means, for example, if you take any digital circuit, random circuit, now we all know these are A, B, C, D, and Y are the port connections of this circuit. But let's see what are the internal connections we have seen in this circuit. See, these internal connections, the output of AND gate and these output of AND gate are going to the inputs as this OR gate. Now, the internal connection is represented in Verilog as wire data type. This is wire 1, this is wire 2. So, these are used to bypass the data but not store any data. So, what are the parameters that we have to know about every data type in Verilog? Those are default value, fixed size. Last parameter is unsigned or signed. It's all we seen through coding. Now, let's see what is the default value of wide data type is Z. Fixed size is no fixed size. It is default unsized data type. Now I am saying randomly that is default value is Z, fixed size is no fixed size, signed or unsigned means unsigned. How you have to prove this by coding? Now I am going to shape. Now let's take EDA playground. I'm taking simple example to prove the default value as Z and it is unsigned and it has no fixed size. Module. And here, the main aim for this class is to represent the wide data type. To explain the wide data type. Why? Yeah. Assign is equal to 1. Display I'm using procedure block on a display. The value of A is percent B, comma A. Now, for module. Now let's talk about the assign keyword and initial begin. That's all. These are we can see in further classes. The main aim for this class is to understand about the wide data type in Verilog. Now, I'm giving as A is equal to 1. I'm asking the dollar display to print the A value. So we'll now print the A value as 1. Let's see. Some have to give some delay. Yeah. We have seen that the value of A is 1 because I'm saying the tool that I have to print the A value by dollar display. But what if I did not assign any value to A? But I'm asking the dollar display to print the value of A. Now the tool will give the default value of A. That is, whatever the default value of void data type consists, it will give now. See, the default value of A is Z. Means by default the void data type is Z, not X. Now, how to find whether it is fixed size or not? Now let's take A is equal to 1 and we have seen it will print A is equal to 1. What if I declare here vector? I am asking the A values for tick B 1010. See, now the result is 1010. What does it mean? It means the void data type has no fixed size. It is user defined size. Means first in first example I have shown you without vector the A value is 1. Now I am showing that giving vector. It means what does it imply? It's that the size of your void data type is not fixed. It is user defined size. So whatever the size you have mentioned, it will give and it will successfully run. It has no any, it does not throw any errors. Now, what if I did not mention any size? I have seen the values sorry, 0. Why? Here I'm saying that wire is a data type, A is a variable. I need A value as 1 bit. But in this fifth statement, I am giving A value as 4 bit. But in fourth line, I mentioned A as 1 bit. Now the A value has to be only 1 bit, but here I given 4 bits. Now the A value will be taken the least significant LSB. Here LSB is equal to 0, so A is taking 0. So that's why we are getting A is equal to 0. What if I mention here A is equal to first MS LSB bit is 1. So now we will get A is equal to 1 because the LSB bit is 1. Yes. We have seen the default value, the fixed size. The default value of wire is Z and the fixed size is no fixed size, it is user defined. Now let's see about the signed data type. It is signed or unsigned. Now let's see here for signed or unsigned, we need to see the dollar display value in decimal format because binary we cannot see the signed. See here, I am getting the value as 1. Here I will give us 460. Yeah. Here the value is A is equal to 11. It means what does it implies? It implies that the A value is unsigned number. What does it mean? Because we know that in digital circuits, if the MSB bit is 1, it implies that it is negative number. But here I given as 1, but it does not giving any negative sign. It means by default, the void data type is unsigned. How to convert it to signed number? Now I have to use here unsigned keyword. Sorry, signed keyword. Now I will get different results. See how I am getting -5. It means whatever the value you are taken, you have to do 2's complement for this number. Here 1 implies the negative number, so minus sign is represented by this 1, and 010 you have to convert it to 2's complement so that you will get this 5. So yeah, this is the complete analysis of byte data type of default size is Z. Sorry, default value is Z. The fixed size is user defined and it is by default it is unsigned. If you need it to be signed, you have to use the signed keyword after data type declaration. Yeah.